na. Matagal yan. Dito na apat. Parang hindi ko makita agad. Kaya nga, tutuloy naman yan. Tara na tayo.
Wala na.
Sige, tirahin mo na.
Refreshing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ano pala? Wala tuloy. Plastic pollution is Plastic pollution is suffocating our planet, endangering wildlife, and threatening our future. But together, we can make a change.
Ayun ha. Kaso medyo naka 1, 2, 3, go.
Plastic pollution is
Sige, okay lang, okay lang.
Plastic pollution is suffocating our planet. Indigenous one.
Sige lang, okay lang yun. Pwede natin ulit-ulitin yun.
Plastic pollution is suffocating our planet, endangering wildlife, and threatening our future. But together, we can make a change.
Iyon. Shit. Ay, narinig yung boses ko. 1, 2, 3, action.
Plastic pollution is suffocating our planet, endangering wildlife, and threatening our future. But together, we can make a change.
Galing. Okay na.
Okay na.
Okay.
O, another.
Wait lang ha. 1, 2, 3, action.
Starts with puta, hindi mo mabasa.
Madilim ba? Oo nga no, madilim. 3, action.
Starts with small changes in our daily lives. Say no to plastic bags, utensils, and embrace our friendly alternatives. Thank you so much.
Lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3, action.
Save the world for our future. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Ay, nakagat labi mo.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, makakat na naman natin.
Hindi na patay mo.